Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm bringing you along as I make some potato skins in my air fryer. Now, but first I've got to bake the potato, so I'm going to bake it in my air fryer. This will be the first time that I've baked potatoes in my air fryer and then made the potato skins. But since cooking or baking potatoes in the oven takes a long time, we're having a nice warm day here in the South, and you don't want to really heat up your kitchen by running the oven for a long time. I've washed and scrubbed and dried my potatoes, and I'm using small type potatoes when I'm making potato skins. I don't like to use real big potatoes. So I have 5 of them. And so now what I'm going to do is rub them down with a little bit of oil. And you want to use an oil that's got kind of a high smoke point to it. You don't want a lot, just kind of rub them down a little bit. And now I have me some kosher salt that I'm going to season our potatoes with. And the oil kind of helps that stick. You can season your potato the way that you like. We don't want to overcrowd our pan either. Now, I don't know how long it's going to take to bake these. My timer on the air fryer that I have goes up to 30 minutes, but I'm going to put it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes, and then after the 30 minutes, I'll check them. And then we'll see. It depends on the size of your potato and what kind of air fryer you have and everything. So I'll bring you back after 30 minutes. Alright, my 30 minutes are up. So let me check them. I'm going to move you over here. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're almost ready. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to flip them over and let them go for about another 10 minutes, and then they should be ready. And if you're wondering why I jerked, because my finger just touched that side. Okay, my baked potatoes are done, and y'all, the skin is so crispy cooked this way. So I'm going to let these cool for a bit before I handle them to get the potato skins ready. So I'll bring you back when I get ready for that. Okay, now I'm ready to fill my potato skins. Now, all of my potato skins didn't fit in this small basket, so I'd have to cook them in batches. But I don't peel out, I don't scoop out a lot of the potato, because I like a good bit of potato with my potato skins. So I just do enough to make a little well. And how you make yours is totally up to you. But first I do sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on here. And remember, our skins are seasoned, so the actual skin part's going to taste good. So we don't really need that much salt. And then I put a little bit of butter. And then I'm going to put some just shredded cheddar cheese. And then I fried up some bacon, but I didn't fry it all the way crispy because it will cook just a little bit more. I'll just put that on top. And then I have some dried chives and dried parsley I've mixed together. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that on top. I've actually even thought about sprinkling some ranch powder on top. The dry ranch mix on top. But I also like to dip mine in ranch dressing. So anyway, I have made mine before and got them to this state. Wrapped them up, put them in the refrigerator till I got ready to bake them in the oven. And you can do this now. But I'm going to turn my air fryer down to about like 300. And then it'll probably take a couple of minutes. You know, you just want them warm through and your cheese nice and melted and bubbly. So I'll bring you back when that's ready. And our potato skins are done. And while it was back in the air fryer, the skin crisped back up. And so now all that's left to do is try a bite. And it didn't take long for it to get warmed up and the cheese to melt and stuff. So I'm just going to cut me a bite off of this one right here. See, I still like a lot of potato on my potato skins. But you can make them like how you like them. You can serve this with some sour cream, or like I'm going to put some ranch on mine, or dip mine in ranch. That's how I like them. So good. And again, a whole lot better to bake the potato in the air fryer because it didn't heat up the house. And sometimes when you bake your potatoes in the microwave, it just kind of gets gummy. So I will be baking my potato like this and making my potato skins like this. I will have some links in the description box below if you're interested in anything that I used. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.